So we're coming up to this RV, and this is the repair on the roof. And here's the outlets. There's the inlet right there. And god damn it, we have 70 degrees going in that vent. And we cooled it down because it was like 90 degrees in here before. And we have 45 degrees coming out of that vent. And that was from the repair I just did on the rooftop of this RV. So that turned out good. No gauges, all with one hole, a hose, and everything rudimentary. The only thing, the most advanced, expensive thing I used was a vacuum pump, and of course nitrogen. All right guys, I'll see you. This is a success story. 22 ounces of R410 on 2 rooftop units on this RV.